Hi ladies, welcome back, and on today's video I'm just going to show you how to do a simple ombre using dip powder with your gel polish. It's really easy, anybody can do it. It's my favorite way to do it because you don't have to rush and worry about the base drying. First I'm going to apply my Wicked to all my other fingers. I'm going to do 3/4 of a dip almost to the cuticle and then all the way to the cuticle. And then I'm going to do a clear cap, and then I'm going to clear cap my ring finger. I'm just going to add the chunky glitter to that finger. But I know a lot of you clicked on the video to find out who the giveaway winner is, and the giveaway winner is Brittany High. So Brittany, please contact me on Instagram so I can get your mailing address, and I will leave my Instagram handle down in the description box below. So all you're going to need for this is a gel base and a gel polish. You know, again, I said I'm going to go ahead and get all my nails done. I like to work with glitter completely last. And I'm just going to put my clear coat on now, which is simple. I think it's very important to clear coat any color, in my opinion. That way you protect the color from buffing and you don't get any splotchy areas. It's just important. But I always like to pour my chunky glitters, and this is a chunky glitter, into a cupcake liner. Better with any glitter to lay your nail in flat. And I like to use triple vitamin base because it doesn't dry as fast as my Tony Lee base, so it gives me more time to remove all the glitters that I don't want. And then I always take a baggie and press them down. And even after you've pressed them down, if you have any that are still sticking up, you can take your cuticle nipper and like just nip it off. And this is such a shiny glitter that you won't notice any of that. But usually I would only do one coat, but I had some areas that were kind of bare, so I kind of just went over the areas I wanted to go. And then now I'm going to clear cap it. And that is very important when you're doing any type of glitter. You want a good coat. And then I'm just going to clean my nails real good and get ready to add the ombre now, which is so pretty. This is a beautiful color. So what I like to do, I'm just going to take my base coat, put it on a little dish. It does not take much. Just put a dropper amount on there. I like to use a toothpick, but you can use a dotting tool also, but I find a toothpick works best. And I like to shake the jar to make all the chunkies come to the top, because I do want a few chunky glitters. So you're just going to add a whole layer of base. You're not going to cure it. And then you're going to take your toothpick and you're going to pick up the glitters. And you're just going to add it how you want, any pattern you want, just whatever you want. And then I like to stick it in there at the end and get all the little tiny ones out to make it look ombre-ish. And if you don't like it, the best part about using gel is you can just wipe it off and start over. It's way better than using the base, because when I mess up with base, then you've got to do a lot of buffing and filing to get that glitter off, and it's just frustrating. This is an easy way. You get it flat. You have plenty of time. So I think this took me about 3 minutes per nail just to get it perfected. I would just dig my toothpick in there and get me a bunch of the little glitters and just put them where I wanted. You can move them afterwards. The base goes on smooth. And then just once you think it's done, you're just going to cure it for 30 seconds. And then you're just going to add your top coat and you're done. You have your ombre. I mean, how easy is that? And I've tried it with smaller glitters and it works just the same. I tried it with tapping, but it doesn't look as pretty as doing it. But that's it. That's how you do an ombre using gel polish. It comes out pretty. It's smooth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all for coming back, and I appreciate the continued support.